The COVID-19 pandemic brought unprecedented changes in the education sector. That time we needed to be creative in delivering our lessons. And one of the things that we did is the utilization of social media platforms. Good day, everyone. This is Carl Jan C. Carolino of Tondo National High School, and I am presenting my paper or my study entitled Enhancing the Speech Writing Skills of Grade 11 Learners through FB Page Writing Lessons. Communication is one of the 21st century skills citizens need to learn. There were several studies that were already published stating that communication is one of the soft skills that the learners and people need to learn. Thus, it is a vital skill needed in workplaces and other fields to succeed. Governments around the world overhauled their curricula to make sure that the 21st century skills, including communication, are integrated. Republic Act 10533, otherwise known as the Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, greatly changed the landscape of education system in the country. Oral communication in context is a core subject in senior high school. And one of the topics covered in this subject is principles of speech writing. The teacher is expected to teach the learners how to write an impeccable and compelling manuscript speech, and the learners need to deliver their speeches to the class. COVID-19 pandemic came and Tondo National High School adopted modular distance learning. Because of this, teaching the core subject that time was a challenge. Facebook page is a platform that can be used to deliver lessons, and the researcher considered this in making supplementary material to teach the principles of speech writing. For the action research questions, this study aimed to enhance the speech writing skills of grade 11 learners through FB page writing lessons during the first semester of school year 2021 to 2022. Specifically, the study seeks to answer the following questions. 1. What is the level of speech writing skills of grade 11 learners before the implementation of the intervention? 2. What is the level of speech writing skills of grade 11 learners after the implementation of the intervention? And 3. Is there a significant difference between the results of pre-test and post-test after implementing the intervention? The hypothesis of the study is that there is no significant difference between the results of the pre-test and post-test of the grade 11 learners on their speech writing skills using FB page writing lessons at 0.05 level of significance. For the research methodology, the following information are included. 1. 27 learners served as respondents. They were selected based on their first quarter grades. If a learner obtained a grade of 84 and below, he or she is considered as a respondent. Quasi-experimental design was employed in the study as there is an intervention needed to be tested if it is effective. Pre-test, post-test, and teacher-made analytic rubric were utilized as data gathering tools. For the pre-test and post-test, the learners needed to write 200 to 500 words about a specific topic, and they needed to deliver it for 3 to 5 minutes. For the teacher-made analytic rubric, 3 validators in the District of Anda validated it, and based on the results, it exceeded expectations. Thus, it was utilized as data gathering tool. Moreover, simple frequency counts, percentage, rating scale, mean, and paired t-tests were utilized. For the rating scale, the pre-test and post-test has a 20-point um, equivalent scores. Therefore, the passing rate is or passing score is 15, and it was the figure that was used as basis in creating the rating scale. The FB page writing lessons is an intervention which aims to guide the learners in crafting their manuscript speech in the time of distance learning. This is a 4-week intervention to supplement the self-learning module about the principles of speech writing used by the grade 11 learners studying oral communication in context. The intervention was implemented for 4 weeks, from December 6 to 17, 2021 to January 3 to 14, 2022. First week was about understanding the concept of speech writing. Rewriting stage was focused during the period. The second and third week were about the writing process. The fourth week focused on the post-writing process. After the lessons, the learners are going to apply what they learned as they improve their draft and furnish the final copy of their manuscript. For the discussion of results and reflection, in this slide, we have here the screenshot of the table. As you can see, we have the following scales: 18 to 20 for excellent, 15 to 17 for good, 12 to 14 for fair, and 11 below for poor. If we are going to review the research methodology, 15 was used as the figure for basis in creating the rating scale, as it is the passing score in a 20-point writing test. In the pretest, there were no learners who got excellent scores and good scores. On the other hand, there are 11 learners who obtained fair scores and 16 learners who obtained poor scores. Based on the table, we can see here that there is only 10.52 mean score. If we're going to observe the data, the researcher had a point or had basis in implementing the speech writing skills of the learners, as there were no learners who obtained passing scores. And based on the study, there were 9 learners who practiced academic dishonesty through plagiarism. Therefore, it affected their scores. After the implementation of the intervention, there were significant changes in the scores of the learners. Based on the table, there is now a learner who obtained an excellent score. There is only one. There are now 7 learners, or there were 7 learners who obtained good scores, 8 learners who obtained fair scores, and 11 learners who obtained poor scores. And as we can see, there is now an increase on the mean score. For the difference between the pretest and post-test results, there is now significant increase, and there is now a significant difference, as this one, the result is 0.001, or I should say 0.0001 is lower than the 0.05 level of significance. Therefore, the null hypothesis is rejected. The following are the conclusions based on the findings. There are 11 learners with fair level of speech writing skill and 16 learners under poor level before the implementation of the intervention. 2. One learner reached excellent level of speech writing skill, 7 learners under good level, 8 learners with fair rating, and 11 learners in the poor level after the implementation of the intervention. There is significant difference in the speech writing skill level of the respondents before and after the implementation of the intervention. And number 4, FB page writing lessons can enhance the speech writing skills of the learners. For the recommendations, the following are the recommendations based on the conclusions. 1. Intensify the provision of writing activities of learners to improve their skill. 2. Utilize FB page writing lessons in enhancing the speech writing skills of learners. 3. Teach learners about media and information literacy to eradicate cases of plagiarism in creating written works. And 4. Improve the intervention by creating more contents, particularly in the form of multimedia files. And that's the end of the presentation. Thank you very much for this opportunity.